Court calls the case, People versus Aaron Salazar.
Echelon for the people.
Morning, Your Honor. David Chan on behalf of Aaron Salazar. Your Honor, we do have a plea in this matter in return for the super drunk charge being dismissed. My client will plead to OWI first.
That's correct, Your Honor. The 93-day misdemeanor, $100 to $500 fine, 6 points from his license, and various.
Alright, let's stop here for a moment. Super drunk isn't just a catchy phrase, it's an actual legal classification. In Michigan, if your blood alcohol content hits 0.17 or higher, you qualify. That's twice the legal limit, which means twice the trouble. Here's a question for you. Have you ever heard of the super drunk law before? Share the most unusual DUI law from your state in the comments.
Secretary of State sanctions, contrary to 257-6251A, will dismiss the OWI high VAC. There had recently been not a violation, but a progress report cautioning the defendant to remain compliant with his sober-link device. Mr. Shan had shared with me some of the explanation as to why there was that late/miss test. So I'm satisfied with that explanation and ready to move forward with this plea should the court accept it.
All right. And that's a correct statement of the plea.
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Right,
He cleans residential houses and he takes a sober link with him, and he left it at a residential house that he cleaned and then had to go back and get the owner to get the sober link out of the residential house so he could do the testing. So that is what happened.
May I have you sworn?
Raise your right hand. Solemnly swear.
He claimed he accidentally left his alcohol monitor in a house he was cleaning. That's either an unbelievably honest mistake or the weakest excuse since my dog ate my homework. What do you think? Does that sound like a genuine slip-up or a crafty courtroom cover story? Share your thoughts below.
Affirm the testimony you're about to give be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, yes.
State your name, please.
Aaron Salazar.
All right. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of operating while intoxicated. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days of jail, a $500 fine plus court costs. The court could order community service and any rehabilitative services the court deems necessary. The court could order your vehicle immobilized, could order you to pay the costs of prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
And understanding that, do you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, I.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Yes, I'm guilty.
You pleading guilty?
Guilty. Yeah.
All right. Now you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
No trial.
Not right.
That's the stuff that we went through. Yeah.
You understand that you will not have a trial, sir?
I'm sorry, Ross.
Do you understand there will be no trial?
Oh, yeah.
All right. You signed an advice of rights form today, is that correct?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have any questions regarding any of those rights?
No.
Look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form?
You understand these?
Yeah, I understand.
All right. You understand you're giving up those rights?
Yeah, you're waiving those. You're giving them up.
Yeah.
Okay. Is he understanding me?
Yes,
Because I've got to make sure that he does.
Yes, he does, and that's why I'm slowing down because you speak really quickly, and he does.
So that's the second insult Shan has given my court today. The first one when I wasn't out here, but was reported to me.
Oof, things just took a sharp turn. The judge is clearly losing patience, and now the courtroom is trading barbed remarks. One slip of the tongue and this plea deal could unravel faster than his back reading. The tension in the room is building, and you can practically feel the drama closing in.
I did that.
No,
that is
you
not
said
an
it,
insult.
and I know you said it. Now you just did that. Now, that first one was about how hard I think I work my staff.
It was an honest,
and then this
honest
was just
statement.
a direct attack on me. All right, so no, I won't hold that against you. All right, but is he understanding?
Yes, he is.
Yeah. All right. So you understand you're not going to have a trial. You're waiving all of the rights that are on this form.
I understand.
All right. You understand that you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yeah, I understand.
All right. Are you on probation or parole?
Yeah.
That's beyond bond.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you under the jurisdiction of any other court?
No.
All right. Have you ever been to prison for longer than a year?
Okay.
Have you ever been to prison?
Yeah.
Have you been to prison
The person where?
in the United States? Have you ever been to prison? Not jail, prison.
Yeah.
Okay. Counsel approach, please. To reflect that it had a. I'm going to stop the plea at this time. I'm going to adjourn this matter out. June 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. And we'll take care of submission. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Case People versus Carl Tinsley.
People,
Is that what Johnson was here on?
yes.
Is that, you gotta watch, Alan, did you see him sitting over there in the corner? He was hiding. He comes in here and hides. Go ahead.
Good morning, man. Please, this Honorable Court, Kareem Johnson on behalf of Carl Tinsley, who's approaching from custody.
They're ringing. Your name, sir?
Carl Tinsley.
Thank you. Yeah, just step over. Yeah, there you go. All right. Okay, what are we doing?
Your Honor, we ask this matter be set for jury trial.
All right. Jury final settlement conference, June 6, 2025, 9 a.m. Jury selection, if necessary, June 9th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
Your Honor,
I'm sorry. I'd like to speak about this.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, counsel first.
I have jury selection Lawrence Buckner in the Ypsilanti District Court on June 9th.
Jury selection
Yes, Your Honor.
before Judge Barr.
Yes, Your Honor.
It'll be here.
Okay.
We all slept on the same day.
All right.
So.
Your Honor, if I may. So Mr. Johnson and I have a fundamental difference in defense strategy. There's no point in us moving forward together on this case. Mr. Johnson is representing me in circuit court. I've submitted a motion to have Mr. Johnson remove his counsel in that case.
Why?
Excuse me?
Why?
Why? Because Mr. Johnson is totally uninterested in this case, in that case, in this case
Mr. Tinsley,
yeah.
Tinsley, you've been before me before, and I'm just going to tell you this.
Okay.
I haven't known Mr. Johnson necessarily all that long,
Okay.
but I'm going to tell you for maybe about the past year plus that he's been appearing before this court, there has not been a client that he has walked into this court where he has not been interested in their case and zealously representing his defendant. So I don't believe you. You coming before telling me that about this attorney, I don't believe it for 1 minute. Not 1 minute. I think, because you've been before, is that you're probably not listening to him. He is advising you. I can guarantee he's protecting every right you have.
And you'd be absolutely
to the
wrong.
fullest.
I have not seen, this gentleman has told me he's going to show up to see me countless times at the county jail. He has not. I've been waiting over 2 years for discovery in another case at all. This gentleman doesn't answer his phone. You're making these assertions without having personal experience.
I'm done.
I'm
done.
If you want to file a tool for defense.
If you want to file, Mr. Tinsley, you're done. You're done. You are done.
Yeah, I think I need to respond to the 2-year comment. Mr. Tinsley does have a matter that's been pending for 2 years. I'm the 4th attorney on that matter.
I know.
I have only been representing him since April. When I go to speak to him, he doesn't want to talk about what I want to talk about, Giannis.
I know.
I just want to clear that up for the record.
And Mr. Johnson, I meant my words sincerely. I've dealt with Mr. Tinsley before. It's the game he plays. So I'm done.
All right.
You're still on this case, regrettably, but you're still